Welcome to today's deep dive into China's recent intercontinental ballistic missile test and the DF-31 variant that's grabbing global attention. In this video, we'll cover everything we know about the missile, the launch, and what it means for the global balance of power. On Wednesday, China conducted a long-range missile test that sent ripples across the Pacific. The missile, which appears to be a variant of the Dongfeng 31, traveled an incredible distance of 12,000 kilometers or 7,460 miles before landing in the Pacific Ocean. But what makes this test so significant? The DF-31, whose name means East Wind 31, is part of China's growing arsenal of intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs. Introduced in 2006, this three-stage missile can carry either a single warhead or a payload of 3 to 4 smaller warheads, capable of striking multiple targets at once. China's ICBM lineup includes 3 key players: the DF-5, dating back to the 1970s, the DF-41, the most modern of the group, and, of course, the DF-31 and its variants. Wednesday's test marked the first time in 44 years that China tested an ICBM beyond its own airspace. This test is a clear indication of China's growing ambitions to enhance its long-range strike capability. But why now? According to Fu Qianshao, a former People's Liberation Army equipment specialist, this test was essential to improve the accuracy and reliability of China's long-range missiles. The DF-31 has two known variants, the DF-31A and the DF-31AG. Both have an extended range of up to 13,200 kilometers, enough to reach targets across the United States and beyond. What sets the DF-31AG apart is its off-road mobile launch platform. Unlike the DF-41, which relies on road networks, the DF-31AG can travel over rough terrain, making it harder to detect and destroy in a real-world scenario. This mobility gives China's rocket force a strategic edge. The ability to disperse its ICBMs makes it more difficult for adversaries to target them. Military analysts, based on photos released after the test, believe the missile used was the DF-31AG, which can carry multiple warheads to target multiple locations. So, why is China conducting this test now? Analysts point to several reasons. First, the PLA likely wanted to conduct a realistic, full-range test of the missile's capabilities. The DF-31AG, with its mobility and long range, needed to be tested in a real-world situation to ensure it could perform under pressure. As Malcolm Davis, a senior analyst at the Australian Strategic Policy Institute, explains, this test may have taken place from a rough location to simulate a combat environment. The missile was launched from Hainan, an island province in southern China. It passed near the Philippines and Guam, finally landing in the Pacific near the French territory of the Marquesas Islands. This launch demonstrated China's capability to strike targets far beyond its borders, reaching strategic points across the Pacific. China's missile test is not just a show of force, it's a message to the world. The DF-31AG has the range to reach mainland United States, and with an estimated 350 ICBMs in China's arsenal, that number is only growing. A Pentagon report from 2022 highlighted that China's rocket force had doubled the number of missile launchers and continues to expand. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, China added 90 warheads last year, bringing their total to around 500. Analysts predict that within the next 10 years, China could surpass both Russia and the United States in terms of the number of ICBMs. This rapid expansion of China's nuclear arsenal poses new challenges for the global balance of power. As China's nuclear triad, land, sea, and air-based missiles, grows, it may alter how nations approach diplomacy and deterrence. China's DF-31AG first appeared publicly during a military parade in 2017, marking the 90th anniversary of the People's Liberation Army. Since then, 3 brigades equipped with the DF-31AG have been stationed in key provinces: Gansu, Hunan, and Henan. These regions house around 36 launchers, with additional brigades equipped with older DF-31 variants. This missile's off-road capabilities make it a critical component of China's strategy to ensure that its nuclear forces are survivable in a conflict scenario. With the Pentagon estimating that China could soon outpace both Russia and the US in ICBM numbers, the strategic landscape is shifting. It's clear that China is preparing for a future where its military might be able to rival any global power. As China continues to develop its nuclear arsenal and expand its long-range missile capabilities, the world will be watching closely. The DF-31AG is just one piece of a larger puzzle that's reshaping the global balance of power. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.